What if you could create a cinematic shot from a single prompt? Step inside it like a real set. Move the camera yourself, cast characters, control emotion, and build an entire multi-shot sequence, all inside one workspace. That's exactly what Higgsfield is building. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies, and their mission is simple but ambitious: to become the most creator-friendly platform in the world, not just for generating content, but for directing stories. And with the release of Cinema Studio 2.0, Higgsfield is pushing AI video beyond impressive clips into something that actually feels like filmmaking. Because for a long time, the biggest limitation of AI video wasn't visuals. It wasn't resolution. It wasn't even motion. It was emotion. What's new in Cinema Studio 2.0? Cinema Studio 2.0 is not a small upgrade. It's a major shift in what AI video tools are capable of. The original Cinema Studio focused on generating individual, high-quality shots, beautiful hero frames with cinematic lighting and composition. But version 2.0 takes it further. Now you can explore your images as 3D environments. You can generate multiple angles automatically. You can build multi-shot sequences. You can cast characters across scenes. You can assign emotions and dialogue. And you can control motion timing during generation, not after. Image generation, from static frames to virtual film sets. Every cinematic sequence starts with a strong image, the hero frame. And Cinema Studio 2.0 completely upgrades what image generation can feel like. 3D scene access. One of the most groundbreaking features is 3D scene access. In most AI tools, you generate an image, download it, and that's it. The perspective is fixed. But in Cinema Studio 2.0, your image becomes a space. You can actually enter the frame as a navigable 3D environment. You can move within the scene, shift your camera position, adjust the perspective, refine composition, and capture new shots without regenerating everything from scratch. It feels less like typing prompts, and more like walking onto a digital film set with a camera in your hands. This is virtual cinematography, built directly into generation. Grid exploration. Cinema Studio also introduces grid exploration, which makes creative iteration much faster. You can preview variations instantly in 2x2, 3x3, or even 4x4 layouts. This lets you compare framing, lighting, subject placement, and mood side by side. Grid mode becomes a storyboard tool. Instead of guessing which version is best, you can visually plan your scene like a director reviewing panels before production. It's pre-visualization at cinematic speed. Video generation. Motion with cinematic logic. This is where Cinema Studio 2.0 truly separates itself, because motion is no longer generic. Motion understands storytelling. Genre-based motion logic. Cinema Studio introduces genre presets like action, horror, comedy, western, suspense, intimate, and spectacle. And genre doesn't just change the aesthetic. It changes pacing and camera behavior. This is one of the first times AI motion feels intentional, like it was directed. Multi-shot storytelling. Filmmaking isn't one shot. It's sequences. Cinema Studio 2.0 allows you to generate up to 6 connected shots in a single scene. Each shot can run between 1 and 12 seconds at full 1080p. You can choose auto mode for smooth connected sequences, or manual mode for full shot-by-shot control. Establishing shots, close-ups, reaction cuts, scene flow. This is AI-powered storyboarding built directly into generation. Character system. One of the biggest breakthroughs in Cinema Studio 2.0 is the character system. You can now add up to 3 characters into your scene, decide who appears in each shot, assign emotions per character per moment: happy, sad, angry, surprised, focused. You can even write dialogue, and the system handles lip sync automatically. Speed ramp control. Timing is everything in cinema, and Cinema Studio 2.0 introduces speed ramp control during generation. Instead of adjusting pacing later in post-production, you can choose slow motion for dramatic emphasis, linear speed for realism, accelerated motion for high-energy moments. Motion doesn't just move, it flows. Core Cinema Studio features. Cinema Studio 2.0 is built around one key principle: creative control without complexity. One unified workflow. Everything happens inside one workspace. You start with a text prompt, generate your hero frame, explore it in 3D, compare variations in grid, animate into video, add characters, assign emotion, choose genre, control camera movement, adjust speed. No exporting, no switching tools, just filmmaking. Cinema-grade cameras and lenses. Cinema Studio gives you real cinematography controls. Select camera sensors. Choose professional lens glass like Cook. Adjust focal length from 8mm to 50mm. Control aperture for real depth of field. From cinematic bokeh to deep focus. You're not just generating images, you're shaping visual language. Start and end frame precision. Need a shot to begin on a face and end on a landscape? Upload. Start and end frames. Cinema Studio generates the intermediate motion seamlessly, creating perfect cinematic transitions. Deterministic motion control. Choose exactly how your camera moves. Pan, tilt, truck, dolly, orbit, zoom, drone, static, or handheld. No timelines, no keyframes. Just select the movement style you want. Film-trained aesthetics. Cinema Studio is built for film-like composition, lighting, mood, texture, and tone. Not just motion, cinema. Cinema Studio animates everything with cinematic continuity. Cinema Studio 2.0 isn't just another AI video tool. It's a shift from generating clips to directing cinema. If you want to try Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0 yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more creative AI content, and let me know in the comments.